Question 1. Which statement accurately defines generative AI within the broader field of artificial intelligence? Option A. Generative AI is a subset of AI focused solely on classifying and categorizing existing data. Option B. Generative AI is a specialized subset of AI that focuses on creating novel, original content like text, images, or code, rather than just analyzing existing data. Option C. Generative AI refers exclusively to AI systems that operate without any human supervision. Option D. Generative AI is an older form of AI that has been largely replaced by discriminative models. The correct answer is, generative AI is a specialized subset of AI that focuses on creating novel, original content like text, images, or code, rather than just analyzing existing data. Here's the explanation. The overview clearly states, generative AI is a specialized and rapidly evolving subset of AI that focuses on creating novel, original content rather than merely analyzing or classifying existing data. Options A, C, and D are incorrect definitions or misrepresentations. Question 2. What neural network architecture is primarily responsible for powering most modern large language models, LLMs, like Claude, enabling their contextual understanding and generation capabilities? Option A. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Option B. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Option C. Transformer architecture. Option D. Support vector machines, SVMs. The correct answer is transformer architecture. Here's the explanation. The key features/components, section lists, transformer architecture as the underlying neural network architecture that powers most modern LLMs. It efficiently processes sequential data, leveraging self-attention mechanisms to weigh the importance of different parts of the input sequence. RNNs, CNNs, and SVMs are other types of models, but not the primary architecture for modern LLMs. Question 3. A cloud developer uses Claude's API to automatically generate multiple variants of ad headlines for an e-commerce platform. This scenario is an example of generative AI's application in which use case? Option A. Intelligent customer support and virtual assistance. Option B. Code generation and development assistance. Option C. Content generation for marketing and documentation. Option D. Real-time data analysis and reporting. The correct answer is content generation for marketing and documentation. Here's the explanation. The use case. Content generation for marketing and documentation specifically mentions cloud-based generative AI services can automate the creation of marketing copy, blog posts, social media updates, product descriptions. For instance, a cloud developer could use Claude's API to automatically generate multiple variants of ad headlines for an e-commerce platform. This directly matches the described scenario. Question 4. Which of the following best describes Anthropic's core mission and its flagship AI training methodology for Claude models? Option A. To develop AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest, primarily through their constitutional AI training method. Option B. To create the fastest and most cost-effective LLMs for high-volume data processing using extensive human supervision. Option C. To build AI systems exclusively for code generation and debugging in cloud environments, relying on traditional reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. Option D. To focus solely on multimodal understanding, with a mission to replace all human supervision in AI development. The correct answer is to develop AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest, primarily through their constitutional AI training method. Here's the explanation. Anthropic's core mission is explicitly stated as building reliable, interpretable, and steerable AI systems that are helpful, harmless, and honest, with constitutional AI being their distinguishing training methodology. Question 5. An enterprise needs an Anthropic Claude model for high-volume, less complex tasks where speed and cost-effectiveness are paramount. Which Claude 3 model tier would be most suitable? Option A, Claude 3 Opus. Option B, Claude 3 Sonnet. Option C, Claude 3 Haiku. Option D, Claude 2. The correct answer is Claude 3 Haiku. Here's the explanation. Claude 3 Haiku is specifically designed for speed and cost-effectiveness, making it ideal for high-volume, less complex tasks, as described in the Model Family Tiers section. Question 6. What is a significant advantage of Claude models, extensive context window, for cloud certification professionals building enterprise applications? Option A. It allows models to be trained on smaller data sets, reducing initial development costs. Option B. It enables deep understanding and generation based on entire books, long code repositories, or extensive document sets relevant to enterprise data. Option C. It primarily enhances the model's ability to process visual information, crucial for multimodal applications. Option D. It simplifies prompt engineering by eliminating the need for specific instructions or examples. The correct answer is, it enables deep understanding and generation based on entire books, long code repositories, or extensive document sets relevant to enterprise data. Here's the explanation. The extensive context window allows Claude models to process and recall information from vast amounts of text, which is crucial for enterprise applications dealing with large documents, code bases, or datasets, enabling deeper contextual understanding. Question 7. Anthropic's Claude models utilize a unique training methodology to align with principles like helpfulness, harmlessness, and honesty through self-correction. What is this methodology called? Option A, Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback, RLHF. Option B, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT. Option C, Constitutional AI. Option D, Adversarial Training Networks, ATN. The correct answer is Constitutional AI. Here's the explanation. Constitutional AI is Claude's unique training methodology, where the model critiques and revises its own responses based on a set of principles, enabling scalable and robust alignment. While RLHF is also used, Constitutional AI is the specific differentiator mentioned. Question 8. A cloud development team requires an AI assistant integrated into their IDE for advanced code generation, debugging complex functions, and explaining intricate architectural patterns. Given the typical strengths, which model family would generally be preferred for this use case? Option A, Claude models, due to their strong focus on constitutional AI. Option B, GPT models, known for their broad knowledge base and strong coding benchmarks. Option C, both Claude and GPT are equally suited without any differentiation in coding capabilities. Option D, neither, as LLMs are not suitable for advanced coding tasks. The correct answer is GPT models, known for their broad knowledge base and strong coding benchmarks. Here's the explanation. While Claude 2 and Claude 3 Opus have strong coding capabilities, GPT models, especially later versions, are widely recognized for their strong coding benchmarks, broad knowledge, and versatility in code generation and debugging, making them a common preference for such developer tools. Question 9. Which of the following is a key differentiator regarding multimodality between the current Claude and GPT model families? Option A, Claude models exclusively offer native image input processing, vision, while GPT models do not. Option B, GPT models, particularly later versions like GPT-4v, have integrated multimodal capabilities, e.g., image understanding, which is less prevalent in current widely available Claude versions. Option C. Both model families have had native multimodal capabilities since their initial releases. Option D. Neither model family supports any form of multimodal input or output. The correct answer is GPT models, particularly later versions like GPT-4v, have integrated multimodal capabilities, e.g., image understanding, which is less prevalent in current widely available Claude versions. Here's the explanation. GPT models, specifically GPT-4v, have integrated multimodal capabilities allowing them to process image inputs. While Claude 3 Opus also introduced vision capabilities, the study material highlights this as a key feature more broadly associated with later GPT versions in the comparison, with Claude's being more recent and specific to Opus at the time of writing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.